Hi, mahal. I don't know kung anong kalalabasan ng video na to, but it's actually an unprepared one. I never wrote any message. I never thought of anything to say, but anything that comes out of my heart, ito po ang sasabihin ko sa'yo. From the day that we got married, wala nang iba at walang magiging iba pang lalaki sa buhay ko except you. I want you to always keep that in your mind. Be mindful na ikaw lang ang lalaking pinakasalan ko at ikaw lang ang gusto kong makasama habang buhay. I will always cherish every single day of our life kahit na at this time and until this point in time, we're not yet having our own baby. Alam mo kung gaano kaimportante para sa akin ang preparations. Both of us should be prepared. Both of us should be ready. So, kahit kulang pa, I can't give you yet the most awaited baby. I hope this birthday of yours would be a special one. And, makontento ka na lang muna sa mga botchogs natin. Ang dami naman nila eh. And, I really love you so much. Beyond words. Beyond anything na kaya ko at naibibigay ko sa'yo. Hindi ko may explain kung ano yung pain na pinagdadaanan natin every time na may hindi tayo pinagkakasunduan. Because the love is always there and it will never be gone. Until the time na pareho tayong sumuko to death. And I really believe si God ang nagbigay sa atin sa isa't isa. So sana maniwala tayo. And tiwala lang every time and at all times. Kung iniisip mo na magiging successful ang plan mo na hindi tayo maghanda, well then sorry. I really wanted to show the world how happy I am on your birthday. Kaya I want everyone else to join you and us sa pag-celebrate ng birthday mo. Wala ka na sa kalendaryo! Although 6 months kasunod na rin ako, I am happy always and thankful to God na ikaw ang binigay niyang husband sa akin. And sana, in every single way and in every simple manner na may papakita ko yun sa'yo, sana maramdaman mo that everything is from the heart and will always be for you. I love you, mahal ko. Happy birthday. And I wish na always maging healthy ka, always maging happy ka, and contented. Kasi there's nothing else I can give you but my love, myself, and my dedication to you as my husband and me as your wife. I love you. God bless. Mwah.